Parambir Singh case hearing has now begun. So Parambir Singh case hearing has begun, and that's the latest breaking news update we're tracking. Remember, he is under IT scanner, and a close aide of the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who is under investigation by the Income Tax Department. In that case has now begun. Remember, recently a show cause notice was also issued to one of the aides in the similar case, and the notice was issued by IT officials itself. Now, a detailed investigation that is being carried out by the IT department has found out that a company has no actual source of income at the time of purchase of the property, and Parambir Singh is very much involved. His hearing has begun at the Killa Court as we're picking up more information, and we'll go across to Yesha in just a bit as she's tracking more developments on the same. But yes, the hearing has now begun. Parambir Singh case hearing has begun as we're tracking all those developments for you. Remember, Parambir Singh, wanted in several extortion cases, is under the scanner, not just from one agency but multiple agencies that are now looking at his role in not just extortion cases but multiple other criminal cases. And this man has been absconding for the past so many days. Remember, he's failed to turn up before the commission, the expert panel that was even in fact given a go-ahead by the Maharashtra government itself. And we've been seeing a political blame game of sorts as well when it comes to the Parambir Singh case. Now the hearing has begun and the Mumbai court is hearing this particular case. Let's see how this plays out. We'll go across to our reporters in just a bit to pick up more information. But the hearing has begun at the Killa court, wherein the Mumbai court is hearing the plea to declare Parambir an absconder. Now, will that happen? Will Parambir Singh be declared an absconder is something that we will have to wait for as far as these proceedings are concerned. But the crime branch, remember, made this move to declare Parambir Singh an absconder. The crime branch has planned to attach his properties as per legal procedure if he does not appear within 30 days of the proclamation by the court. The crime branch has moved the magistrate court to declare Parambir Singh an absconder, and whether that will happen, that case currently underway at the Killa court, remains to be seen what plays out next, because multiple agencies are looking for this man. This very man who's wanted in multiple cases, has multiple FIRs filed against him, and is nowhere to be found for the past so many months. The crime branch has said that it has been unable to find Parambir Singh at his residence to execute the non-bailable warrant that the court had issued against him, that it recorded the statement of two workers at his residence. The two workers who were working there, in their statements, both of them had said that he had not been at the residence for the past 3 months. And given the latest developments, now the crime branch, after having decided to move the court having taken up the matter, remains to be seen whether Parambir Singh will be declared an absconder. So on the basis of what Parambir Singh's staff, the staff that was working at his residence, has said, a queue has certainly been taken and attempts are being made to look for this man, to find him out, because he is wanted in so many cases, so many FIRs that have been filed against him. Our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor is also with us on the phone line. Abhishek, whether or not he will be declared an absconder remains to be seen, but the proceedings have begun. What more can you tell us?
Well, in fact, what we are hearing about the proceedings, Krishnan, is that an application has been made under Section 82 of the CRPC, and it's happening in the Killa court. And the court has said that they will have to decide, and they will get 30 days to apply Section 83. Essentially, Section 83 of CRPC is about declaring a person an absconder. Now, remember, it's been more than 100 days that Parambir Singh has been missing in action. He's missing from his office, and summons that have been issued to him have gone unanswered, and he has not submitted himself to that one-man committee that was set up by the Maharashtra government to look into it, as also the various investigations that are going on between the ED and the Maharashtra agencies. In fact, remember, now whatever process is happening is being followed by the Maharashtra government itself, to whom Parambir Singh reports. So it's clear that the court is going to pass an order tomorrow on whether Parambir Singh should be declared an absconder, following which the other legal processes, including that of declaring or getting a red corner notice against him, kicks in motion. So things really getting stiff from here on, so far as Parambir Singh's legal difficulties are concerned. And I think tomorrow we are going to get the order in which the court might likely declare or proclaim Parambir Singh as an offender, as an absconder, I beg your pardon.
All right, thank you for that, Abhishek. Let me go across to Priyanka as well, as she's tracking more on the same. Priyanka, if he is declared an absconder tomorrow, of course, the order will be passed tomorrow is what we are being told. But the crime branch has certain plans in place, isn't it? They've already hinted at the fact that they are planning to attach some of his properties if he doesn't appear within 30 days.
Well, yes, we are getting this information from inside of the courtroom by our colleague Yesha, where the hearing in fact is underway, and the court has stated that the order will be passed tomorrow. But as Abhishek was also pointing out, that there might be, the authorities in fact have already started the procedure of attaching his properties and declaring him an official absconder, because there are several lookout notices, several warrants that have been put in place to find Parambir. A manhunt, a global manhunt in fact, that is underway for finding where Parambir Singh, the former Commissioner of Police for the city of Mumbai, has gone to, and also another red corner notice that has been issued in the name of Parambir Singh to find out where exactly he had gone. There have been summons that have been sent to his multiple locations, including that of Mumbai, Chandigarh and other places as well, where his address had been found. But there has been absolutely no response, and as the hearing has gone on...
Absolutely, Priyanka. So let's see, what the order has in place for Parambir Singh. The order will be declared tomorrow. We'll come back to you in a bit on what we're tracking on the same. For the moment, we need to